Thangna Nipal Lakh suba oina Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharamanna Union Budget ngasi Parliament ta puthokhrei Parliament ki chathariba mifamda ngasi Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharamanna Lok Sabha da Union Budget adu puthokhi ngasi puthokliba budget asigi matangda Minister Nirmala Sitharamanna thamkiba mahaki warolda chahi amada Lupa Lakh taranithoi fawbagi income Lakpa Meeoi sing income tax thidabagi Theehalloidouri koklagani Minister na Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana hongdokna nabusu lauthokhi scheme asigi matung inna agriculture gi pothok hengat hanba crop diversification amasung sustainable agriculture practicing hengat hanba gi pandam thamle masigi mathakta panchayat amasung block level da post harvest storage hengat hanba irrigation facility fagat hanba amasung long and short term credit sing marang kaina lomi sing da fanghanba yauri scheme asina lebaga sigil lomi crore ama henbada kanaba piba ngamgani amaromda shaksham angalwadi amasung portion 2.0 scheme gi senfam hengat hanabagi matang deshu minister na fongdokhi scheme asigi makhada aspirational district amasung northeast region da leiriba angang crore nipan miron binupi amasung angang khomlang vi mama crore ama henbada chaungna kanaba fanghangani haike.
Honorable Speaker, I present the budget for 25-26. I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees. Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, developing agri-districts program. Motivated by the success of the aspirational district program, our government will undertake a Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana in partnership with states. Through the convergence of existing schemes and specialized measures, the program will cover 100 districts with low productivity, moderate crop intensity, and below average credit parameters.